Hello guys, welcome back to number one YouTube channel for your online tips and tutorials. So today I want us to review another site called Asocks.com. They say that they have the most stable residential proxy network and they have all-in-one proxy service with the best price on the market. They are the cheapest, let's say affordable, because 1 GB is around $3 and you can get it through a promo code. So even before I go through the video, make sure you watch up to the end of the video. I'm going to show you I'm going to provide a promo code which you can use to redeem for the 3 GB free of data, which you can use to access the mobile or residential proxies from Asocks. So let's go through the pricing. So they say that they sell 1 GB for $3 and it is the same price for mobile and residential IPs. They have the most reliable and fast proxies and they have access to 150 plus locations all over the world. They have 7 million plus IP addresses. You can see the number of users in the site, and it can show you whether a proxy site is good or bad by the number of users. Also, they have premium proxy for users. They only offer 2 types of proxies. I want to insist that on again: residential proxies and mobile proxies, and all the residential proxies and mobile proxies are offered at the same price of $3 per GB. And the minimum GB you can work with is around is 3 GB. Yeah, because the minimum deposit is around $15. I'll come back to there. So they have 2 types of proxies: residential proxies and mobile proxies. Residential proxies, they have 7 million plus free SSN targeting. SSN is the same as ISP targeting, because an ISP like Verizon or T-Mobile have a specific ASN identifying number, which if I give you a ASN number for T-Mobile or Verizon and search it online, everybody can be able to know that that's ASN for but that particular ISP. So I just wanted to explain it in a simple term so that everybody can understand what is ASN targeting. Then they have a full IP pool. They have full IP pool is available. Yes, automatic IP rotation, constantly growing IP pool. Then they have 4G mobile LTE proxies, which are mostly 4G. They are from Lil mobile proxies. They have automatic IP rotation and 97% success. I'm going to show you further on how to set it up and how to do all the stuff. And here I insist again, they offer the same price for mobile and residential proxy. You pay as you go. So there is no monthly, weekly or daily plans. So whichever GB you get, you're going to use them until they get finished. That's when now you replenish your account. Now as long as you have 1 GB in your account, or in short terms you have $3 in your account, you can be able to access both services, which is residential proxies and mobile proxies. And also they have other giveaways, the promo code, which I'm going to give. If you watch the video up to the end, I'm going to give a promo code to my viewers and show you how to redeem it. And you can be able to test out Asocks.com website, test their IP on various sites and see whether it's good for the kind of work that you do. So they support various activities like ad verification, price comparison, market research. You can unlock content which is geo-targeted content, e-commerce, road test, social media like Facebook advertising, finances, and so many more. They can work in various anti-tech browsers like TG Ninja, Murogen, Hide My Account, Gorogin, Dolphin, anti-tech browser, and Cognito. So without wasting much time, you can also come here, compare option tab, click through here, and you can compare and see the reason why we say that they are the most affordable proxy provider compared to others people who sell traffic in form of GB. You can see that they are the lowest with a total cost of $3 per GB. So go through this page and you see the reason why we say that they are the they are most cheaper and affordable. So if you don't have an account, just click sign up. It brought you to this. You can register through these options here: Google, Apple accounts, and the other option here. You can also register using your email. The normal process, then you verify your address. After registering here, you're going to get a verification from your email. Just verify your account and you're good to go. Then they have since I already have an account, let me just log in directly. This is my account now. Under login now, you just click sign in and go to the account. So this is my account. I had a promo code of $9. I'm going to show you how I replenished my account using that promo code. But before going there, you might be wanting to use Asocks and you have exhausted even the promo code that I'm going to provide. You can also get another bonus by clicking here, get bonus. You can do these activities provided here. You can go and review them on Black Hat World, G2.com, Capterra.com and get $9 worth of credit in your account. $9 is around 3 GB worth of data. You can also, if you're coming out from another proxy site, say the proxy site you're coming from and attach relevant document screenshot showing that you didn't use that site you are saying you're using. Show the relevant evidence for which anybody can know that you have been using the other service, and they are going to give you a trial as a welcome to their site. Now, without me going to the other options here, let me show you how to redeem a code. For example, just come to, if I the code that I'm going to pin under my video description. Once you get it, come to your profile, click profile here. Then after clicking profile, you just scroll down. You scroll down, you see here, you insert this promo code, OnlineEarnHunter. Since I've already redeemed this promo code, it will not be active in my account anymore. It will tell me that the promo code has been, you see, the given code or online and proxy is already used under this particular account. But I'm going to pin this promo code under the video description. Use it on your account, and my royal viewers, you're going to get $9 worth of credit on your Asocks account, which is equivalent to 3 GB worth of browsing data, and you can be able to use it to access any service, either residential or mobile proxy. Now, let's say now you have redeemed the promo code which I've put in the comment section, in the video description. Now, you see now I've already, while I was testing it out, I redeemed my account area, connected to an proxy and used some of it. So now, let's say now you have your balance here. How do you get a proxy from Asocks? The first option here tab is the proxy URL link. This for people who use anti-tech browser, they want to change IP depending with their. You can say this for people using anti-tech browsers who want to change their IPs with the link. But for us, the main interest is getting proxy port. So after you load your account, this is how now you get your whatever your IP now for work. So let's say you can write your name or surveys. I like using mobile. They also have corporate. So they have 3 types of proxies. They have residential, mobile, corporate. Corporate is more of data centers, but me I like using mobile proxy. But you can use any proxy you want depending with your location. So country I want to United States. Then state I want New York. This is now how you set up your geo-targeting. You can say Brooklyn here. Then ASN, you can leave it all. It will provide you all the ASN for all the ISP providers available in your region, or you can select the one provided here, 21928. This ASN is for a particular ISP in the United States. You are going to discover, I don't know, tell you the name. I already know the name of the ISP with this particular ASN, but I'm going to show you during the connection. Then after selecting your geolocation, your state, New York, and the ASN, the next type is proxy type. The number one, the one which is ticked here, keep connection, high trust, which is recommended. It will find a proxy from the same subnet or ASN or ISP, and your IP will be changed, but considering it's the same provider, it doesn't look suspicious. This means that once you select this option and your New York brokering and this particular ISP goes offline, you are going to get another IP from the similar state, city, and the same ASN or ISP. This is the best option. Keep connection. This one will just give you, if you select this option, it will give you another connection from any geolocation in the United States. It's not specific to your selection earlier. Then they also give you an option to control the behavior of your IP when it goes down. You can choose disconnect. It will disconnect your IP when it's good, when the IP is down, and it will connect again when the IP comes back up. You can also set the option to rotate. If you like using rotating IP, just click rotate and the IP here will rotate, but the best option is this one. Then there are various ways of connection. They have whitelist or password method. Then they have whereby you log in with a username and password. Then they have IP whitelist, where you whitelist a particular IP from the devices you want to use the site from. For example, this one you can share with your friends. You can whitelist their IPs under this whitelisting tab here, and they can be able, you can share your IP with them. Then there is login and password. So proxy authorization rules, just check whichever one you want. After setting all these things now, you have now redeemed your promo code. You have gotten here, you have set up your IP, your location, your geo targeting, your rotation type, your proxy type. Now click here, create IP and port. Remember here it's saying that you're using a promo plan. The number of available ports is limited to 5. So if you use my promo code OnlineEarnProxy, you can only be able to get up to 5 ports. Yes, but if you buy if you load your balance using the option here. So let me first of all click here how to create for example, here I can create even 5 proxy with this. I can create 5 ports using this promo plan, but for now I just want to create one. So just create IP port. So you see now here. So before even going to, you see now after you generate your IP, depending with your geo targeting and the setup, you come to this my proxy ports. This way all your IPs will be available. If you created 5, all 5 will be appearing here. So for the promo plan, you can only create 5 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this one. But before you even go further, I forgot to show you how to replenish your account. Let's say now you have used all your promo code and you don't have enough balance now here. So you just come here. There are 3 ways of loading your account using the BTC and USD Tron. And also there is crowd payment using Rope, but the most common option is BTC and USD Tron. But my favorite is USD Tron, and the minimum you can deposit is around $15. Are you together? Just click continue, and you'll be and if you get a promo code from if you chat the support team, they can give you a promo code. Just put it here, and you get a discount. But remember, the promo code I'm sharing, you click the promo code which I'm going to use in the video description. Just come here, paste it here under the promo code, paste it here, and you're going to get 3 GB worth of browsing data, which is equivalent to, but here it will be appearing as $9. So let's now go back to my ports. Remember, this is the port you have created right now. So click on it. It's going to show you the proxy, IP and port, your login password, your login username and password, and also you can connect. Then here you can select the type of connection you want. If you want HTTP or SOCKS 5, personally I like choosing SOCKS 5. If you're using anti-detect browser, you just copy this one and change your IP using the link here, because it has all the details above here. So now I want to show you how to connect it to an anti-detect browser called Dolphy anti-detect browser. So just copy this one here, proxy copy, then go to anti-detect browser here. For example, let's delete this one and create another profile. Delete this one, delete. Let's create another profile now for demonstration. So we say test profile. Let me tag my name. So it's Windows. Now here, and if you can see here now, for the proxy they have HTTP, SOCKS 4, SOCKS 5. Ours is SOCKS 5, remember? So just paste everything here. Remember, every anti-detect browser have their ways of connecting. This is how Dolphy is connected. So I have IP and port. Now we need password and we need username. This one, username like that. Username. Then we need password. Then we need password. This one. Then password. Then after you input this stuff, you can click your connection here, check connection. Now you see, now after you click connection here, it will show you that you're connected to New York. Remember, that's our ideal, New York. Now after you connect now to the internet, we know whether we are in the same state, and we are going to discover the particular ISP under this ASN unique number 21928. So now after you do that, now all the other setups are good. Yeah, Webal TC, yeah, these are just leave all the other stuff. Remember, every anti-detect browser have their own way of doing their stuff. So this is how this one operates. Now just click start, then we access our particular profile. We see now this is the Dolphy browser. So here just click who.net. So if you're watching my video up to this point, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, share, comment. In case of any question, ask me in the comment section. I'm always ready to respond to my viewers' questions. Now since it's now connected, you see we are 100% anonymity. So yeah, that's how now you connect your Asocks proxies to the anti-detect browser. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video. Thank you.